Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Play Store your device isn't compatible with this version error quickly and easily. This usually happens when the app requires a newer system version or specific hardware. First, go to your phone's settings, open About Phone, and check for any software updates. Then install the latest version if available. Next, make sure Google Play Store and Google Play Services are updated by clearing cache and data in Settings, then restarting your device. If the app still shows not compatible, try using the web version of Play Store on a browser to see if it allows installation. Another option is to look for an older version of the app from a trusted source that supports your device. Finally, ensure your device has enough storage and meets minimum requirements. Then try installing again, and the compatibility issue should be resolved now. Subscribe the channel for more videos.